Hey guys, Nick here with the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. I've got a beautiful 2008 Harley Davidson Rocker C with me today. This thing is awesome. I love the Rocker Cs. It's got just a totally unique styling compared to all the other Harley Davidson Softails. It's got a vivid black paint job on it with these flamed graphics, kind of a slate gray with a burgundy pinstripe. Just beautiful. This one's got a 96-inch fuel-injected V-twin motor backed up by a 6-speed transmission. It's got some nice performance parts on it as well, like this Screaming Eagle heavy cone breather up here. It's also got the Vance & Hines short shot pipes. Beautiful chrome finish. It's got forward controls on it with some upgraded pegs and pedals. It's also got the matching grips up here. It's a real nice touch. The most unique part about the Rocker C is the seat and the rear fender setup. So typically, your rear fender would start here and then kind of just mold into the rest of the frame. This fender goes all the way around the rear wheel, all the way down to the bottom. Totally separate. It's beautiful. And look at the seat too. How it just hangs right there. This is a passenger seat, and this is totally sturdy. You'll have no problem sitting on that. It's also got the 5-spoke wheels up here. Single brake setup. It's not a heavy bike. Still has a lot of stopping power. You see the rear wheel back here. It's got the fat rear tire, the deep dish lip, just beautiful. This one's got a small scratch right there on the rear fender. You got one right there as well. It's got the big fat tire. I think that's a 240 millimeter tire. It's one of our certified pre-owned bikes. So we do a multi-point inspection on it, a 15-mile test ride to make sure everything's working properly. Then we give it a professional detail. Nice chrome on the primary right here. It's got the ignition right here, kind of like the breakouts. And it uses a key. It doesn't have a lever like some of the newer Harleys. It's got the chrome Y bars on it. Good pullback and good rise. They're real comfortable. The underhung front turn signals with the clear lenses. It's got the chromed out front end completely, all the way down to the lower fork legs. Also, another thing that sets the Rocker C apart a little bit, it's got a small rake on it. You can see the front end kind of poked out. So you got a small little rake. Good tire on the rear, on the front. That one looks brand new, matter of fact. Still got the hairs on it. And then there was one small rock chip right there on the front of the gas tank. That was basically all I saw. I didn't really see anything else. It's a very well kept bike. For an 08 model, it's got pretty low miles on it. Looks like you're looking at 12,000 miles. Got an awesome sound to it. Looking for a unique Harley? I think you'd be real happy with this one. I think we got a couple out here on the lot, matter of fact, maybe 2 more. They're just awesome bikes, man. They're real popular. They don't seem to last too long around here. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. So it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.